It started with a wardrobe malfunction. 15 years later, YouTube has changed the world, and it's more relevant and influential today than ever before. In honor of YouTube's 15th birthday, I thought we should take a look at how YouTube started, how it has changed over the years, and how it has impacted nearly every corner of society. In today's video, we will be showing you reasons why YouTube changed the world forever. Without further ado, let's begin. Upending the music scene. A 13-year-old Justin Bieber was discovered on YouTube after his mom uploaded a video of him singing. 3 years later, Bieber sold out Madison Square Garden in a matter of minutes. Bieber's instant discovery, connection to fans, and meteoric rise to stardom was a foreshadowing of how YouTube would change music and the music industry. By taking power out of the hands of talent agents and record labels, YouTube put control squarely in the hands of artists. By going directly to an audience, previously unknown artists had a shot at celebrity. The Cool Club, created by record labels, wasn't rendered obsolete, but YouTube's presence certainly blew the doors wide open. Look no further than South Korea singer Psy for an example. Low Pro Lo-Fi. With YouTube, high video production value and high-fidelity audio weren't important, at least not right away. There was an authenticity to these videos that viewers didn't get from polished productions seen on network and cable TV. It was really real, and this theme caught on. To this day, authenticity is seen as one of the most important aspects of a YouTube creator's presentation. YouTube viewers can smell a fake a mile away, and they will let you know in the comments if they don't buy what they're seeing. Likewise, the most authentic content gets gobbled up ferociously. YouTube viewers run the show. We tend to look at YouTube creators and personalities as the driving force behind YouTube, but it's actually the viewers who call the shots. The point of uploading a video on YouTube is in hopes that it will get views, along with all the benefits that come with those views. But unlike conventional TV, which has primetime viewing slots and Nielsen ratings to influence what does and doesn't get made and viewed, YouTube video success is directly tied to what its viewers want to watch and share. In the creation and development of a channel, creators get an opportunity that big-time network execs never had: virtually instant feedback. The best creators are highly engaged with their fans, and they will adapt accordingly. Creators fine-tune their channels based on the shifting desires of their community, and the best ones can sustain themselves long-term. YouTube birthed this kind of producer-viewer relationship, and it has since seeped into every corner of entertainment. Enter the YouTube algorithm. In 2010, Guillaume Chaslot got his dream job at Google. Armed with a PhD in artificial intelligence, Chaslot arrived at Google with no knowledge of what project he was to work on. Turns out he would be tasked to develop YouTube's recommended video engine. This engine would use machine learning to figure out what viewers liked and serve them up a video to watch right after the video they were already watching ended. The recommendation engine had a singular purpose: maximize watch time and keep viewers glued to YouTube. According to Chaslot, the number of views a video got wasn't nearly as valuable a metric as watch time. Polarization and radicalization. If you are really into prank videos, fail videos, videos of drunken people getting arrested, YouTube will serve up plenty of those for you to watch. But the AI takes its job so seriously that recommendations lean towards polarization. As reported by the New York Times in the Rabbit Hole podcast, the AI takes point of view into consideration and tend to stick with that point of view. Paul Ellis, Getty Images. For example, if you watch protest videos shown from the side of a group of protesters, then you will continue to see videos from the perspective of the protesters. But if you watch the videos taken from the viewpoint of the police, you will continue to see videos from the authorities' perspective. Not only can related exposure to polarized videos shape a viewer's perception. Google's Band-Aid. Google has taken several steps to stave off the negative effects that its open video platform allows. The company has founded a trusted flagger program that allows vetted YouTube viewers to flag what they deem inappropriate content. Google has also implemented interstitial warnings that tell viewers the content they're about to watch might contain inflammatory religious or supremacist content. It's a tough battle though, because, technologically speaking, it is difficult to build a machine that can tell the difference between a video created by a terrorist and one that was made by a reputable media organization covering a terrorist organization. Regardless, YouTube continues to be used by many groups to further their agenda. So, while some folks may be jamming to new music or watching the latest iPhone reviews, others are digging into controversial and potentially dangerous content. The rise of the challenge. Another trend we've seen across YouTube's history are challenge videos. These too tend to be either very positive or very dangerous. On one hand, you have the Ice Bucket Challenge, which is designed to promote awareness of and raise money for the disease ALS. On the other hand, you have the infamous Tide Pod Challenge, which is just flat out dangerous and, many would argue, stupid. New revenue. Everyone is getting paid. Without a doubt, one of the biggest impacts YouTube has had is in making a whole bunch of people a whole lot of money. Musicians, reviewers, comedians, pranksters, auto mechanics, you name it. And there's probably a YouTube channel about it that makes both YouTube and the video creator a boatload of money. The barrier to entry is more arduous today than it was a decade ago, and YouTube isn't just handing out satchels of cash. One has to build a business around their YouTube channel. But since it has democratized online videos, nearly anyone with some talent, a little luck, and a webcam can turn into a YouTube and start pulling down some serious coin. Be entertaining, be thought-provoking, be helpful, and you will likely reach your audience on YouTube. What you do with that audience will define success. YouTube's Top 5. Take a look at YouTube's top 5 videos in terms of all-time views, and you'll find it's populated by one kid's program and 4 music videos. No wonder YouTube Music and YouTube TV were created. And as of the future of YouTube, I think we are witnessing that right now. As more and more folks are stuck at home, desperately seeking creative outlets, we are seeing a flood of new content on the platform. Even late-night talk shows and comedians are turning to YouTube as their primary broadcast channel. If the line between YouTube and traditional TV was faded before, it's all but gone now. And I think it will stay that way. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.